Hello everyone, my name is Bharat Konda. I am a trademark attorney. Today I would like to discuss the importance of a trademark search. Trademark search is an important suggested step before applying for a trademark application. USPTO trademark database search is not comprehensive and will only give search results that are in USPTO databases. In my opinion, a comprehensive search is necessary. If you want to do a search all by yourself, then this is the following order. First, you need to start with USPTO database search. USPTO search gives you results about mark status, such as whether the mark is registered, abandoned, etc. Your search should not be limited to an exact match. Further, the search methodology needs to consider similar standards, design, and similar sounding marks for likelihood of confusion analysis. Thus, this is not the comprehensive search and will only give the search results that are in the USPTO database. Coming to the second step, you need to look at the state databases. You can search state trademark databases by going into the Secretary of State website for each state or an equivalent website in another state. You need to look at for any conflicting marks that may sound or that may look similar. Coming to the third point, domain name search. Please check the availability of domain name on your planned mark or any slight variation of your mark. Number 4, Google and Bing search. As you know, Google and Bing are the dominant search engines. You can always check whether a particular name is used by another entity or a group. Let's look at the fifth point, common law search. This is hard to search for any individual applicant because common law rights in a mark are local in nature and geographically specific based on use. Further, common law based trademark rights are based on the first in use of the mark in a geographical area. Thus, you need an attorney such as myself or any other attorney for searching common law related searches. It takes a lot of effort as well as knowledge about the subject matter to understand whether there is any conflict with a senior common law mark. Let's look at our trademark search process. Our search will be conducted on federal USPTO databases, state trademark databases, common law search, and domain name searches. Further, we also provide an opinion letter about the likelihood of success and any related risks. If you apply for trademark application without search, then there may be other conflicting marks that are already registered or used based on common law in a geographical region. Thus, the risk of sanction and possibly subject to opposition or any other cancellation proceedings gets high. Therefore, we do not file for trademark registration without completing a comprehensive search of your mark. We have three packages where search and opinion are included. They include number 1, search and opinion package. This is exclusively search and opinion package. So if you would like to just exclusively get a search or an opinion from me, then you can pick this package for just $289, and I will give you my search results as well as my opinion whether the mark can be registered and whether there is any risks involved. Coming to the second package, US trademark registration package also includes search and opinion package. So if you pick this package, you need to pay about $489, and search and opinion is included. So I conduct a comprehensive trademark search of all databases, and I will review the results and give you an opinion letter. Further, I will also file your trademark application. The only thing I need from you is my fee of $489 and trademark application fees, which depends on the number of classes of goods or services you have. And coming to the third package, which is wordmark and design logo package. So for this package, you can get both a trademark for a name or organization name, a word, and also design logo. You can also get logo for under this package. So you can get both name as well as logo under this package. Please feel free to contact me for any other additional details about search and opinion. Thank you.